All right. See if we can get a dip on this at 159. 159 area. 156 area. That would be sweet. It's within this gap. All right. If not, 175 is this high. Oh, just a little lower would have been sweet on this. We'll see. So there's a gap here. So we'll see. We'll take we'll take 1K just to get started. Do want to size up at some point. CISS, NEGG, RCT, FTV, HYMC. So we're waiting for FUB, AIN, IREG, LFBN. Doesn't want to go yet. HTLD. So we're within this red gap still, which is overlapping a green gap. CENT, TEMT, CISS, let's see. FTV, TMAR, I prefer it that it comes down, get some more buyers. It could also come all the way down here, 44, hold down is 38. So I don't think it'll come all the way down here. Maybe it's more likely 50s. But we can start printing green pretty quickly. So we'll catch a gap and go at this point. Target is $3 on this. Here we go. Okay, we might catch an early gap and go here at 75. Nice. 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 Let's see. Can you hold 75? It's important that you hold 75. I want to see this gap form. I want to see this gap form. Just getting one test straight out there. 75 needs to hold. No, doesn't hold. There's still a few seconds left. Get back over 75 and hold 75. No. So we're gonna do 56. Dip under 60. There's a little gap here. There might be more buyers down here. Right under it, right at 50. So we're going to be looking for that. Putting out a test straight just to make sure I don't get a delayed fail with 1,000 shares. So LIMN, decent volume. Let's see. Like a weird stock, this one, man. So I can get a dip here under 80 to 70. There's my dip. There's my dip. I'll take that 76. Okay, stop is going to be 70. Pull up. That's a lot of selling. That's a lot of, oh, that's a lot of selling for me. This one came down to 56, just how I wanted it. We can see this at 50. Could also be good right under that level. Took a trade here, but it just seemed like it wasn't going to hold. There's no gap here, so I might be pushing it on these trades. Gap is kind of weak. Get rid of this now. It might respond at 52 because this gap area there might be some orders right at 50 psychological level, so we can try that. We like the volume on this though. Mm. 53 was good, I guess. Yeah. Okay, 53 was great. We'll see. Let's see. CISS. CISS, interesting here. 215, 212 gap, small gap. I had this on my watch list, but I didn't think it would do anything. Wow, LIMN. What the heck? Yeah, just a bunch of garbage moving today. LIMN and moving. This one seems to be okay. This one came into the gap. I'll get this one because I like this. 50. Yeah, I'll take Elga in here. Buyers keeping it super tight. Looking for this to pull up right under 50. From right under 50. Pull up. The red volume is still pretty low low or equal compared to the green volume, so we might be seeing something good out of this dip. Holding it, stop will be like 48. Come on, you're holding 50 long enough. Dude, that's the longest hold of a $half I've ever seen. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Okay, whatever. I was gonna keep it flat, but I actually thought it was gonna my bounce 40. Yeah, look at that. Ah, okay. Held that for too long. Yeah. Can I get a dip in here? What's the low of this? 69. Ah, come on, I missed it. Figuring out where my stop is going to be. I missed that. All right. Ah, missed it by just a little bit, bro. What a nice move, this one. Yikes. 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 I had to be quick on that. Yikes. $73 is that low? Yeah, I don't know. So we could get a dip down here for a 5-minute fair value gap. Oh, okay. Totally missed that. It could still be a good dip down at 205. What are we doing here? 205. I would get it down to here. 207. 206. Yeah, I might be asking for a dip that's probably not gonna be that it's not gonna come. So I gotta take some of those trades early. All right. LIMN. Okay, here we go. We did say 205. Stop is going to be 204. Yeah, I will take it. Jeez, by the time I got in, 208. Let's see if this holds. Stop is going to be 204, below that, which is going to be 204. Hopefully it bounces here. That's a 5-minute gap. Hopefully we're holding. I think that's the second time it tried 207, 208, or rather 208, 209. I need to see this here, or we're going to see a bigger red push. Green, no, green. Nice. 10, come on. I want to see this minute to 70, like 14. Like 14 would be a 2-to-1 because my stop is tight. So quick little trade at 14, exit 14, stop 4, maybe 15. Taking too long, I think. I might get off flat on this. We will see. Volume, don't like it too much. New 5-minute. Okay, good. Let's go. Nice. Come on, get over 10. 12. 12, come on. I'll take it off there. I'll take it off at 11. It could still come up here, but too slow for my liking. Looks pretty, there's my exit. Okay, so being a little impatient and not respecting my exits. Or my stops today. What's going on? Okay, but that was a good winner. Let's center ourselves back into this play and into today. Remind ourselves of our rules. And let's have a good day. Look how beautiful this thing is going to move. Good. So we're seeing that we have the right intuition. We have the right trades. We're just got to see the follow through. I think I just stacked too many losses in a row, and I wasn't feeling much of the I wasn't feeling this entry. But good to see. This is rewarding to see that my entries do have follow through. My trades do have follow through when I'm taking them at the right time. So we'll wait and for the next another opportunity. So we just formed the gap. Let's see how well this is gonna hold view at. Right. So if we can get another dip here, this is look like it's bouncing off this level a lot. We may not. This might actually go right now. But getting a dip down here in the 80s seems that their all goes right here. They're buyers at this level. I'm gonna get it. Gonna jump right in the 80s, low 80s. 83 is gonna be that stop. I'm betting that it's going to hold one more time, follow the same pattern. My loss. Let's stop right. There you go. 84 actually. We'll see here. Don't like this. I'm gonna get cooked on this. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So big loss there. We're gonna stack a big loss today. All right. Not happy about this. I think I have to cut that much sooner. Wow, today's been an awful day, huh? So getting whipped around on that drop. So thinking it was gonna hold this 84. Yeah, what did I get out? 71? Yeah, 10-cent loss right there. All right, we gotta be patient and look for a good trade eventually. This could be a pretty risky trade, but the resolution this could be great. So 67 on that low. Anything under 70 could be worth looking at. GTZ. 71. SMCZ. Yeah, the opportunities are pretty crap today. CISS. MST can make less than 10 seconds. LTZ. But this could be an interesting off the lows. A lot of bottoming wicks. I'm looking for one more bottoming wick down here. 67 being that low. Let's see. SMCZ. CISS. It's going to keep wanting to retest that level. And if you show me under 70, I gotta jump in there. Show me under 70. Show me under 70. Not yet. Not yet, at least. Pretty slow day. The gap is right here. Topping wick as well. Kind of the moves are off the lows today. Nothing's really trending high. RGTZ. LTZ. SMCZ. Oh, here we go. Here we go. 70. Not even under. Oh, that would have been sweet, man. Look at that trade, bro. Looking for that thing right under 70. The buyers were right there. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. That's crazy. I just have to get in. All right. All right. Is this able to hold 208 or gap? Maybe an entry around 210. This one is also kind of going. Honestly, I might wait for a dip into this gap. 14 to 08. That would be a much cleaner move, I think, if we get a dip into it. We're being patient over here. Looking for a nice dip. Wow, nice. Rejection there. We have some sellers here. That's a clear target there. NPT. NPT. Only missing light. This could keep going. 219. If it holds 219. So 21. Could hold. See. So give a good bounce there. I was looking for an entry on the gap. Not gonna retest it. At least not now. Sheesh, okay. All right. Yeah, in hindsight, Um, 5 minute gap down here, working well. Dang it. I would get this dip down here, 18 to 13 if it wants to come down pretty aggressively. I would get a nice bounce there. Stock is just all moves in waves. So if it's going to move in waves, I would like it to come to 214, 13 being the stop. Anything between 18 and 13. For the next leg. It's a lot of 5 minute topping wicks. Ah, 17. I now find myself to pull the trigger on this. Might come lower. Just tap that. Just tapped it. Here we go. $13 would be my stop. Looks like it wants to come lower. We'll see. $16. They're buyers. They're buyers. I see volume. I see like struggling to get lower. Coming down again. It's gonna keep testing that. 17, 16. It's a 5 minute gap. It's also a VWAP, right? VWAP is 15. So 16 again. Wow. Well. NIVF, could this give an entry down there? What's going on with this? It's just kind of moving on its own. No news, I think. So under 15, would he be able to hold under 15? 5-minute gap, 15 to 10 on 7. I mean, we have a lot of support. All right. Oh, nice dip here. Just thinking of this level 2, 13. This one even worth it? I don't know, man. This thing, just one pop and drop. So we'll see how it dips in there. 12, 11, 10, 9. I'll take 9. Got in a 9. Keeping it real tight at 7. Yeah, keeping it tight at 7. Okay. Crappy stock. Not a good one there. Down $200. None of these are holding. Dang, what a shameful day. Anyway, gotta take those days. We gotta take those days. This could give a good bounce in this area. Bounce at 102. 09 to 06. Wow. So went all the way down lower to this gap and it gave a crazy bounce from 102. Wow. Was looking for that bounce here. What happened? What happened? All right, let's see if I can get a dip right into 28 to 20. 10, 8 cents. 8 cents right there. Could be good bounce. Let's see it. Massive volume here. There it is, 26, 26 and a half. This will be my last trade. If this thing doesn't bounce, I think I might be getting cooked here. But we'll keep it in at 26, so we're going to keep it break even. So we can give ourselves more room to succeed on this. So looking for at least, let's see, 12 cents. So we're going to 36, 38, 40. Let's say 40. If it wants to come lower, I'm going to have to stop out, break even, look for another trade. Hopefully it's not just red candle after red candle. Here we go, 35, 36. Push, baby, push. Push, baby, push. I'll start taking some out right there at 35. Not taking anything out yet. Not strong enough on this push yet. Gotta follow my rules, so stop's gonna be break even at 26. Whatever, bro. If I don't make it, I don't make it. Gotta follow my rules. Follow my rules when it's hard. Follow my rules when it's hard. 26 wants to stop me out. 34. Nice. There it is. Nice. Unwinding here. That little push to 38. Come on. Unwind all of it here. Okay. So we tried it. We made an attempt. It looked like it failed. So we might see a dip here. Two topping wicks. I want to see it lower than 26. Here we go. So stop is going to be 20. So can I see it? 23. Oh, 19. Okay, well, that's okay. All right, we got a nice winner there, ladies and gents. So down 160. So that's a crazy drop. All right, I really want to take a dip here. We have great volume shift on this. If I can take a dip below, what was it, 76? Okay, 76. Stop 73, 72. Okay, I got outsides down. How about that? If I could get any closer to 72, I would take bigger size. Okay, 77. Huge seller there. So selling it because it's huge seller, but I sold that really quick. at 80. So, you know, not a bad entry. Went as low 74. I tried to get it 74, got in 77. So a huge seller, but it's getting bought up. So, what's gonna happen? What's the move? We'll see. Don't want to go against the seller right at this top. So there's somebody who wants this thing to come down. We'll see. All right, looks like these sellers are getting bought up here. Massive sellers, right? So we got like 167,000 shares being sold right there. Who is it? Who is it? Massive seller. We recognize the seller all the way from here. Could it break? No gaps being formed, so we'll see. Okay, could this be a good area to pick up some shares right at VWAP? What a rejection, man. What a rejection. Okay, 70 then. I'll buy it at 70. Oh my goodness, bro. Quick, quick buy, quick sell. 2 cent basically right there, almost 2 cents. Oh, here we go. So quick little trade there on a massive rejection. So not a lot of size, obviously. Uh, 70, because 70, we had a gap right there, and 70 was a good spot. So we broke this. Nice. Can we hold 83? So here the key is that we hold 83. So I'm going to watch this gap and go right here. The high of this is going to be 880. 80, 80, 80. Okay. So we might 80, 80, 80, 80. A lot of buying on this candle, huh? On the previous candle. So 83 seems to be holding. They might squeeze pretty fast, this one. So gap and go, we'll use less size. No, what's the high? 82. Okay, never mind. I'm thinking 80 is below the gap. The low the gap actually is 82. So this could still gap reclaim. Let's do it. Small size. Looking for, I need to see it now. 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 Small gap reclaim. The quality is not the best. Let's see. My stop is going to be pretty tight. Come on. Not messing around with this. Yeah, I'm getting out. All right. Wow, what a crazy bounce this one. All the way to 74. Nice. Anyway, little loser there. Winner here. Let's go. Let's see this squeeze, man. Thing's been chopping around all freaking day. 65. Now what? Finally gonna get that squeeze to $2. Target at least yesterday's high. How about that? Good gap. Gap and go here, maybe low 80s. Ah, there it is. 80s. 80s, come on. $80 by 83. That's a 3-cent spread, bro. That's a 3-cent. Oh, that's okay. That's a 2-cent spread now. Okay, that's a 1-cent spread. We like this better. Okay. Nice. Let's go. Get that green going, bro. Nice. Somebody stopped out. Good. So somebody pushed it higher. Good. 400 shares in here. Come on. Let's get 90. It's about time. It's about time. We get a dip down here as well. Right? Which is kind of huge. 82. Let me get rid of this. 80 to 75. Oops. What's going on here? Does it want to come lower? Could come into that gap. But it might hold as well. $87. Nice. Nice. Let's go. It's facing a lot of resistance up there. 87. Let's see. Let's see. Stop is going to be break even at this point. Green candle. Next candle, we're looking for this to be green. If not, we're going to stop break even. Quick break even stop. Green, 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 green. No, I'm taking half out right here. Break even, come on. Break even, or we push through, or we get another dip 80 to 75. We're looking for that as well. 5-minute looks pretty bullish. 88. Push. A lot of buying here. 89. Short sellers could be nervous. Come on. Here we go. At least over 90. Five minutes being formed here. There's just some big sellers right there at 90. So taking it off 88, 89. We might come back down. I don't think it'll break 90 just yet. Those were some big sellers at 90. So let's see if we can get a dip here. We also have the top of this 5 minute gap and go right here to 83. So I might take a dip. Cutting down my red day into $100. Good, 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 good. Better red day. So we're going to take a little more size here. 83. It needs to hold 83 for this 5 minute gap and go. So we're going to keep it tight. So if I can get it a little lower. 86. All right, we'll stay patient, look for another trade. Okay, 5 minute gap here. 83. 5 minute gap. 83. Can it hold 83? Can you give signals that you can hold? Would love to take it here. Give me some vitals. Come on. All right, let's do it. 85. Gonna be a quick stop here. 83 if it doesn't hold. It's a 5 minute gap. The low of it is 83. So if this is gonna work, it needs to work pretty much quickly. So gotta be mindful, don't get caught in another flush here. Sized up a little more. 600 shares. '83 was the area where it was heavy resistance. We had that level marked for a long time. So I'm looking for buyers to step in at 83. Nice bounce so far. All right, we'll see. Hopefully this is what we need to break 89, 90. Oh, 83 here. Oh my gosh. I thought it was breaking. Ah, I thought it was gonna break based on that can. Ah, dang it. At least at least it was a winner. I looked at the level 2, I'm thinking, oh shoot. Dang it. All right. Well, whatever. All right. Is this going to hold this gap and go? Looks like it didn't hold. Well, it tested 86, the gap. If I finally do it. High bid was 91, broke through 90. 86, there was a little gap at 86. We'll see. We shall see. Hmm. Maybe we could get a dip at the top of that gap. 80. 81. I don't think it'll go in there. It's been choppy. It's been difficult to trade, difficult to time. But if it was supposed to fail, it should have failed a long time ago. Here, are we gonna tap it? 81. I'd probably get a nice tap of 81. Looks like the low of it was 83. Why 83? Can't tell you. It just happened to be 83. I don't know. Maybe there was a reason why 83 worked. Well, 83 has been like a key level for a long time. Right. So maybe that's why. But so much has happened. Let's see. I mean, 83, I think was here. Yeah, 83 was a key level for some time, this area. Okay, well, all right. I want to take this 5 minute gap under 83 is going to be so good. Right here. That is going to be Excellent. And then we have another gap right holding it at 81. That's gotta be the trade. So we're gonna risk it here. Looks like a great setup. Looking for that entry at under 83. Stop maybe around 81. It could be good though. 78. Yeah, I could risk this. Let's see. Come on, give me that entry. Beautiful dip into the gap. Pull up. Bigger move. Oh, that would be awesome. Come on. This thing, man. This thing. I've been struggling with this thing after I took that massive drop down back in the morning. I haven't been able to recover. Well, I think I recovered some. So let's get a dip here. 80, under 83, 81, maybe. 5-minute gap. Beautiful. All right, we'll stay patient. Wait for that. Okay. Let's see it. I don't want to eat a flush. Definitely don't want to eat a flush. So we got a 78, the low of that move. So what do we get? Come on. There we go. Ooh, ooh. Here we go. Here we go. 82. 82 by 84. Don't like it at 82 by 84 was okay, I guess. Low of it says it went to 81. Dang it. Nice bounce though. Very nice bounce. Nothing, no volume, huh? Very little volume. Mm. 83, 83. I'll take 400. And 600, come on. Mm. Wow, these moves are so slow, man. All right. It's important that you hold 81. I actually could come in a little lower too. VWAP is 79. Um, the volume just looks good, you know? Just kind of a weird thing. Looking for shorts to give up on this. Let me see yesterday's chart. Okay, came a little lower. Um, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's not working well off the 5-minute gaps. Maybe it'll work this time. What actually worked was like a massive flush and the reclaim. Yeah, massive flush and reclaim all the way down from here. So hard to say. So might keep going lower. Who knows, man? It's a low quality, but still the volume on the 5-minute looks great. The volume on the 1-minute looks great. You know, there are buyers. There are lots of buyers in this. But it just goes sideways, you know, sideways, no volatility. Okay, I'm back from lunch and looks like we got a nice move here. Can we hold? It's important that we hold 91 if this thing wants to keep going. We got sellers at every corner on this. High of this is 97. Target is 210, which will be yesterday's high. Good work. It's been moving quite choppy. Yeah. I'm gonna take an L after a good streak of green days I've had a few days. For, I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see later, but 92, that's 91. Is this gonna be strong enough? If it's gonna do it, it's gonna have to do it now, man. You're gonna have to do it pretty soon. That extreme algo push, short squeeze. Ninety, 84, geez. Good thing I didn't take that. Good thing I didn't take it 90. 84 again. One more time. 76. Oh my goodness. What a drop. What a drop. Shorts are so aggressive on this. That's crazy. Okay. All right, I guess not. I mean, I guess he came to 76 back to 80s. And this thing wants to make a U-turn. Maybe. All right. Look at this. Nice. So I guess from what we'd have been seeing all day, the best plays come out of those huge flushes. So realistically, that was good. But now in hindsight, okay, that would have been a good trade down at 80s, 70s. So good to see that. Wow. So are we going to see a bigger push? I don't know, man. Might just take this L. Move on. Move on to tomorrow. Yeah. All right. All right, we're gonna have to take the L, first L of the month, down $100. Not bad, keeping it tight. As low as 200, so I was able to recover 100 from my lows. Max loss is 150 to $200. Um, Lately we've been able to get that loss pretty, since I've changed my strategy, pretty tight, except for this one day when I went off the rails, trying to do too much to my strategy. Um, So pretty tight. So I'm happy about it. Not well, not happy, but comfortable. It's a good red day. Let's see. Yeah, I took a bad L. Took a really bad one. Um, yeah, I took a really bad one here. When I went for a dip, I noticed it was pulling up from here from 80 85 area. 83 was the low. I've noticed it was bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. I'm thinking, okay, this thing might actually bounce if I get in here at the low. There was a little gap right here. So in there, and I just ate a massive flush. Yeah. Then I look for it again. Man, there were so many opportunities today where I just didn't capitalize on them. I'm asking, I guess I mean, that's something I gotta write about. Um, uh, what am I gonna, what do I want to say is, um, there, don't look for the perfect entry. That's what I want to say. Take the trade, analyze the price action. Needed. See how price action holds in and around the gap. There you go. So we'll take that. Yeah, so took that bad L right there. Anyway, so we'll see. We took this one gave some good moves. So the best move on this was here. Yeah, off this fair value gap, decided to hold it even though I wanted to sell it so hard. Held it, got my 2-to-1 risk to reward. Beautiful. Nice. Bought it off the freaking lows. Massive flush. Bought 1,000 shares out. NIVF. Yeah, this is such a silly trade. It's just like a huge gap here. I'm thinking this will be great, but and looking at look at LIMN. Man, this thing is just going nuts now, bro. All right. Anyways, I'm done trading. I can't. I missed the whole move, and trading it up there is just crazy. Anyway, so now try to take a dip here. Got stopped out. This is good. This is fair. Aim. I sat. Okay, I took a gap and go here. Kept it tight. Good for me. I tried to do. What did I try to do here? I don't think there was a gap. I gotta look again. If there's no gap, this is a very low quality trade. And still, even if I took it, I gotta respect my stop because it was hovering around 50 and I'm thinking breaks 49, I gotta get out. and I just dragged it for too long. My mistake. So here, as we spoke about, yeah, massive flush, ate it right there. Took another trade here on a, what was this? I think this was on a, yeah, fair value gap into the gap. I didn't quite, yeah, I didn't quite get the low. I bounced so quickly, then out 80. Try to get a gap and go here, I think, but out right there, small size. Nice gap and go. Actually, this was, no, the previous one was a fair value gap. No, that was a gap and go, yeah. Next one, same thing again. Gap and go, worked very nicely. Try to do a fair value gap here and got out as it was moving too slow. So nothing. I mean, I tried it throughout this area, which gave the look that it was going to give another move, but no, it actually, the move came much lower after this huge rejection. So yeah, looking at it now, looks like this thing is just ripping right through it's just squeezing shorts at this point. That's unfortunate. Nice gap here, but it kept disrespecting the gap, and now it keeps going, right? Anyway, I'm not gonna be part of that. I guess I missed it. I gotta move on now. I'm gonna just take the L. All right. Anyway, so finishing here. Finishing here. Still green on the week. We'll hope tomorrow brings more volatility. Well, today we have volatility, but stronger moves, right? So more volume into these plays. A lot of volume now, but man, the volume on, I mean, the volume on these candles was so bad. Like if I just hover over these, like 100,000, 20,000, 600, like 14,000, nothing, no volume. And then volume just freaking picked up right here. Boom. That's crazy. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna have to take the L. That's okay. Keeping it tight and looking to size up. Looking to size up. There was really nothing that I don't know. There might have been a couple maybe that I could have taken more size, but I wanted to get like a nice cushion on the day for me to size up. So we'll work on it. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, give our free trading analysis tool a go. It's free. Try it. Check out our features. Check out our blog. Check out our pricing. $5 a month, 50 a year. Comfortable pricing for if you're a beginner trader, even an advanced, a professional trader like myself. You can still use this because you get the basics, dude. You get the basics, right? Cheap, great, looks good, nice interface. You get the basics for a comfortable price. Now hit me up on Discord, join the community. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, come join us at Profit and join the Discord. See you tomorrow.